Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello children and welcome to one more session of Standard 3 EVS lesson number 25 changes in our surroundings. Children, we can see the things clearly during the day, but we cannot see the things clearly at night. It is because during the day we get sunlight after the sun rises, and so we can see all the things clearly. But it grows dark after the sun sets and there is no enough light, and so we cannot see the things clearly. That means day and night affect living things. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. Before the sun rises, we can see various shades of colors in the sky to the east. When the sun rises, the light is soft. The shadows fall to the west, which are long. As the sun gradually moves higher, the shadows become shorter. When the sun is directly overhead, the shadows are the shortest. The shadows are longer when the sun rises and when it sets. Birds are the first to sense the end of day. Their chirping begins from early dawn. They leave their nest and start flying in flocks in search for food. Birds to begin to blossom gradually. Their petals start unfolding. Butterflies, beetles, and other insects start hovering around the flowers. Elderly people set themselves ready to work. Children get ready to go to school. Cowherds take cows and buffaloes out to graze. Once their stomachs are full, they sit in a quiet place and ruminate. Some animals bring back the swallowed food into their mouth and chew it again. They swallow the chewed food a second time. This is called rumination or chewing cud. Cows and buffaloes are the animals that ruminate. In the evening, birds return to their nest. Cattle return to their sheds. People return home from workplace. And we return home from school. But some animals set out in search of food after the sun sets. They sleep during the day and come out at night to search for food. Such animals are known as nocturnal animals. Tigers, owls, and bats are some examples of nocturnal animals. Some flowers like Ratrani and Rajnigandha bloom at night. Every night we see different shapes of the moon. These changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. There are 8 phases of the moon. The new moon, the new crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and old crescent. That's all in this session today, children. We'll meet next time. Until then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.